These are stereo installation kits for the 92 to 9600 Prelude. The first one I have right here is American International HONK 830. And the tabs you want to keep are E and G. The bottom tabs are G. There's G. There's E. The rest of these ain't labeled. This is an old one, American International 828. It has no holes. This is a Scorpion. It has holes in the pocket down there. It's a Scorpion HONK 6828. And on this one, the same thing. You're going to keep E on the side and G on the bottom. The rest of them you cut off. Single DIN kit installed for the Honda Prelude. As you can see, the bottom of it's, the bottom right here is in there. It's not coming out. What is that, a grasshopper? What is that? That's a leaf. And then this little gap is right here will straighten up once there's a radio and a cage in there, like pressing like that right there. Yep. This is my double DIN trim piece installed for my Honda Prelude. Looks pretty good. Sticks up just a little bit. It's almost flush, but not exactly. But it looks good in front of the ashtray. Looks good up in here. Yeah, that fits. This is a double DIN steel cage you need. It's 103 by 182 millimeter.